write a program to display this series. Just understand first, students, to display a series. See, the starting is 100 and it goes till 1. So my start will be 100, stop is 1, and what should be my step? See, it is 100, then 97, 94, 91. So in the step of, what is the difference? 197, 3, 97, 94, 3 again. So in the step of -3. So I just need to print in the step of -3. So very simple. Let me do with the for loop. For loop will be very easy. I is equal to, yeah, sorry, not I. So yeah, for I in range, what will be my range? 100 starting, end will be 1, and in the step of -3. Correct? Simple. Print I. That's it. That's the program, just 2 lines program. Now let's save and see how it works. Did you see? The complete series we got, but we got till 4. What is the problem we did? We wanted till 1, they said, right? So we did a mistake here. I told you the stop is always less than 1, right? So instead of 1, I have to write is 0 here, right? Now let's see. Remember, I told you the stop will go always -1 till 1 -1. Yeah, now it's fine. Clear? This same thing you could have done with while loop also. Can you try doing that with while loop? Just try, just pause the video and try, and then I'll show how we can do this. Okay. Now here again I'll take I is equal to 100. So while, my condition will be while I will be what? I have to go while I is greater than 0. I have to continue this, right? Print I, and here I is equal to I -3. I have to do. Correct? Do you think this program will run? Simple thing. See, the same thing I have just converted in the form of while loop. While, because we have a condition, so I have taken the start is my 100, increment will be of in the step of -3, so I is equal to I -3, and my condition will be, this will be go on till I is greater than 0, because I have to take till 0, right? So let's see if it works for us. Yeah, see, it worked. So the same thing you could have written in both for and while.